Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the wooden kids bookshelf with scalloped edges, a charming and functional addition to any child's room or play area. This 3-tier Montessori bookshelf is designed to encourage your little ones to read by providing easy access to their favorite books, fostering independence and a love for reading. Crafted from high-quality plywood, each piece is unique with its natural wood pattern, adding a timeless touch to your child's reading nook. Safety is our top priority, and this bookshelf has passed both EPA and CPC testing, ensuring it's safe for your children. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required, making it a stress-free addition to your home. Its front-facing shelves make book selection a fun and engaging experience for toddlers, promoting proper child development and autonomy. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just because, this bookshelf makes a perfect gift for any occasion, blending style, functionality, and safety seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.